A blessed day to each and everyone. Again, my name is Cherry April, and welcome to another session of Cookery, Quarter 3, Module number 4. I do apologize for my voice, for it's a little bit not that loud because I'm currently having my tonsilloparangitis currently on my healing period. Hope you bear with me, but I try my best to speak as loud as I can. Let's take a recap on what we have remembered on our previous lesson. What can you see in the picture? That is scaling. How about this one? This is filleting. And the last one? This is all about cutting a lobster. Since you already know on how to cook seafood dishes, then let me try out how well do you know. Part of serving any kind of food is presentation. You don't have to be a trained chef to learn the basics of plating, which is the art of presenting food in an attractive way. The following topics that we're going to discuss and activities will help you learn the fundamentals of plating and perform it for better understanding. Today, let's talk about how to plate, present fish and seafood. This will be our learning targets for today's discussion. I know how to prepare and present fish and seafood dishes. I can perform guidelines in serving fish and seafood dishes. Of course, I can able to demonstrate various methods in plating fish and seafood hygienically. Fundamental of plating. When we talk about balance, this is how you select foods and garnishes that offer variety and contrast. When we talk about balance, if you're going to take a look on the picture below, you have to see that it has one color, two colors, and then three colors. There are three color variations. The shapes, the flavors is enticing. The shapes are different. It is a variation as well. And the texture varies as well. So it has a balance when it comes to these aspects. For the portion size, we have to match portion size and plates by means of selecting plates large enough to hold all the items without crowding. We have to balance the portion sizes of the items on the plate. Don't let the main item get lost with excessive garnish. Arrangement on the plate should match the portion sizes and the plates. Guidelines to help plating attractively. This is an attractive plating. How are we going to arrange it? You have to keep food off the rim of the plate. No food distracting on the rim. Arrange the items for the convenience of the customer. Think that you are the customer, so that's why you have to arrange them so that they can able to eat them easily. Keep space between items. Each item should have its own identity. Maintain unity, create a center of attention, and relate everything to it. Make every component count. Add gravy or sauce attractively and just keep it simple and everything will do its work. If it is hot foods, you have to serve it on hot plates. Serve cold foods cold on cold plates. For example, we have some garnishes or accompaniment for plating. We have bouquetier or the bouquet of vegetables. We also have this is grenadier or the garden vegetables. We have the clammert or the fishes and cressy or the carrots. We can use this on plating as well. We also have the doria. These are cucumbers that is being cooked in the butter. cauliflower, or we call this as dewberry. We have the fermier, carrots, turnips, onions, and celery cut into uniform slices. Then we have the forestier, or the mushrooms. We also have the lyonnaise, or the onions. And this is the nicoise, or the tomatoes, concasse cooked with garlic. In serving baked fish, we have to remember the following. Serve baked fish with a sauce or seasoned batter to enhance moistness and improves palatability. Serving with lemon also enhances the fish. For service, the fish is removed from the dish, the liquid is strained, the grease reduced, and finished by adding butter, cream, or velouté sauce. Serving broiled lobster. You have to serve immediately with melted butter or appropriate sauce and garnish. How about for sautéed and pan-fried? You have to remove the fish with spatula and place on serving plate with presentation side up. Then sprinkle fish with lemon juice and chopped parsley. Heat raw butter in the sauté pan until it turns light brown. Pour over fish immediately and serve at once. For broiled lobster, you have to serve pouch peas as appropriate sauce, such as hollandaise for hot fish and mayonnaise based for cold fish. Mild vinaigrette go well with both hot and cold pouch fish. For serving pouch fish and fumet and wine, we have to remember that we have to reduce the cushion over high heat to about 1/4 of its volume. Add fish velouté and heavy cream, bring to boil. Adjust seasoning with salt, white pepper, and lemon juice. Strain the sauce and arrange the fish on plates for service. Coat with sauce and serve immediately. Glazing. Combine the fish sauce with egg yolk, hollandaise sauce, or lightly whipped cream. Coat the fish with sauce and warm the plate under a broiler until the sauce is golden brown. The pouch fish is sometimes glazed before we serve it with our customers. So that's it. And these are all my references for this discussion. Thank you so much. Hope you subscribe, hit like, and hit the notification bell button for more updates. Thank you so much for bearing with me. See you again next week.